What's going on, cheers? Welcome back to another video. I just wanted to quickly make a video stating some of the stocks, some of the things that happened today in the market, which weren't too much as we closed off the month of April, headed into the new month of May. Some of the stocks I'm watching next week, some of the stocks you should be watching next week. The brand new month, we already have some pretty big events happening next month, early on in the week. May 4th, we have the annual shareholder, of course, of AMC. I'm very interested in that. We have the earnings 2 days after, if I'm not mistaken, on the 6th. Interested and going to hop on the call as well. With the market being near its highs, there's questions as to inflation, as to the taxes and whatnot. And when sell in May and go away is something that is an investment strategy according to Google stocks, based on the theory that the period from November to April inclusive has significantly stronger stock market growth on average than other months. So basically it says, screw it, you dump everything, you come back towards the end of the year. This might be a self-fulfilling prophecy. I'm not too sure, but like I said, with the concerns we have right now, we have the next Fed meeting in June. I'm sitting mostly cash, guys. I have a lot of cash on the sidelines, pretty much mostly cash. I'm not a buyer at these highs. I do not feel comfortable buying at the market near these highs. We also had Amazon, which is going to be one of the first ones that also gave up a lot of its gains, man. It seems to me people took these profits at these all-time highs, at these new highs. Amazon reported breaking numbers. Of course, we were stuck at home. We were shopping at home. People had more money in their pockets. Amazon is the place to go. They reported breaking numbers, and the stock did not hold its gains after hours. Jim Cramer was pumping this one this morning on CNBC, and we closed red on the day. Can you guys believe that? Apple was another big tech play that also close red on the day. The big one that I'm watching, guys, is Twitter, which came from the earnings. This is my dead cat here. I don't have a position on this one. I plan to buy. I'm going to scope this one out under 50. If I can get under 50, I'm going to be buying. This is going to bounce aggressively back to like $59. That's my price target, $59. If I can get in on the trend line here at 50, the uptrend, the $0.50 mark, I'll possibly start initiating the position on Monday next week. Stay tuned, but definitely Twitter is one that I'm going to be watching. Let's give you an update on Tesla, which we had 60 shares of yesterday. I sold yesterday, guys. I paper handed this bad boy. I took some L's. We had around 688 average price. We cut losses at 684 before the market closed. It fell to 663 pre-market. I got fooled. I'm like, this is gonna pull on back. It looks like it's gonna crack 663s, but it's oversold. Kathy Wood has been buying millions. I believe she bought like 40 million of Tesla these last 2 days. Let's see her email that comes out later on. Let's see if she bought some Tesla. But Bitcoin carried Tesla. Bitcoin's up, I don't know what percent, 12% the last week. The fact that it rallied today, I think, is another indicator as to why this Tesla is up nearly almost 5%, back above 700, but it's very oversold. And looking back at the history on Tesla on the 4-hour, every time we get aggressively oversold, it has a disgusting push up, a massive rally. Am I a buyer here? Not necessarily. I didn't trust this pullback. I thought, honestly, we were coming to 650s. 650s was the next level of support in which I was definitely going to pull the trigger on. But I'm just patient. Like I said, I'm being very patient. I have some cash, and I don't want to swing or hold anything too long. So take the L and don't look back. The next, also watch Ethereum. Ethereum is probably going to break 3,000 by next week. Who knows? Ethereum has been really hot. Along with Bitcoin, we have Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live in 2 weeks on May 8th, which he's probably going to pump Dogecoin. So Dogecoin has been lingering around 30 cents. Make sure you watch that as well. We also talked about Amazon. Rumor to split. Did not happen. What else is on my notes? Netflix. Netflix is possibly one of the last ones with Viacom and Discovery. Netflix is the last one I am watching. I have like 3 alerts here, as you can see. I'm waiting for sub 500. Under 500, and I'm buying on Netflix. If I miss this opportunity and Netflix pushes to like 550s, 540s, I'm not touching it. But under 500, I'm definitely interested. Viacom has earnings. Discovery has, I think Discovery had earnings. Viacom has earnings upcoming. I'm looking to buy this one after earnings if we do collapse under 37. Discovery did have earnings, and this one I'm waiting to come under 35, which is closely going to be tied to the price of Viacom. So just be patient, wait for the Viacom earnings, and then we'll decide if we want to hop in. AMC, we'll cover this one really quick. I don't want to get questions. Wait for after earnings. I'm waiting for after earnings. This is one of the big and the annual shareholding meeting, which is even bigger. I'm waiting for those two events next week. We're still kind of in that range, above $10, below 12, which was the range we were kind of stuck back late February, early March. Wait for these stocks to unfold. GameStop, on the other hand, was held right under 180, of course, under 200. but that uptrend is still there. It still looks primed to break out. It needs that volume. It needs that momentum. And today was a very, very low volume day for GameStop. That's pretty much it, guys. If you guys found this video of any value, comment below your plays. I wanna see some more of these stocks, guys. Comment your plays. I believe MasterCard. Add this one too. You guys brought MasterCard up. I'm waiting for sub 372 on this one. MasterCard, Visa, these other two stocks that I'm watching. So make sure you drop your plays down below. I'm very interested in taking a look at them. With that being said, hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your weekend, amazing rest of your Friday, and I will see you guys Monday for another live stream. Peace out, team.